As you can see, she kicked out several grains. Earlier, she kicked out quite a bit. But if you look really close, you can see some of the litter in this, like the darker gray grains and granules. So, very good for camouflaging the mess. And helping to keep the area pretty clean.
One lick, your call lick be an octave, and then your response would be another octave. It's just a great way to start off with because it kind of sound like two different instruments or even two different guitar players. So if you're gonna do something like that, have a little call lick, make it nice and
Hey, hey baby. This works better than any other litter mat. It catches it all. It also wipes their feet as they walk away. So it's all there and it's easy to clean up. You can just vacuum it right up. He has no problem with it.
Die sind halt immer richtig schwer rauszubekommen.